The ellipsis in Python is a built-in object represented by 3 consecutive dots. It's known as the ellipsis object, of type ellipsis type, and can serve several purposes in Python code. In this video, we will introduce different scenarios where ellipsis is commonly used. Firstly, the ellipsis literal can be used as a placeholder to indicate that some code is intentionally left empty and will be implemented in the future. This is similar to using pass in a class or function body, but is often preferred for indicating incomplete sections. Ellipsis can also be used to denote a tuple of arbitrary length where each element is of the same type. This is commonly used when annotating functions that accept or return tuples of unknown lengths, but with known element type. In Pydantic, the ellipsis is used to specify that a field is required in the model without setting a default value. This is helpful when you want to ensure that a value is provided for a particular field during instantiation, especially when you want to provide some extra metadata with the field construct. When working with NumPy arrays, you can use ellipsis and slicing to represent all dimensions that are not explicitly specified. This is particularly useful for multi-dimensional arrays, where you want to select all items along some dimensions, but specify slicing along others. In this example, the ellipsis takes all elements from all dimensions except the last one. It picks the first element from each pair within each 2x2 block and results in an array of shape 3x2. This is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel for more content.